Hello again, it's previous day tutor. In this video chemistry, we'll be looking at 2016 questions 6 and 7. If you have this paper, please make sure you go through. What do you understand by each of the following? A1, an anhydrous salt. 2, an efflorescent substance. So, what is an anhydrous salt? It's just a salt that contain no water. A salt containing no water. Alright, of crystallization. Crystallization. So it's a salt that does not contain water. An efflorescent substance is a substance. So this is a substance. A substance that loses water when exposed to air. So an efflorescent substance is a substance that loses water with crystallization once it comes in contact with air. Give an example of the following substances. An efflorescent substance, an example of a good efflorescent substance, it's actually copper. They are like the red, so I'll give you two good ones. It's copper sulfate. By the way, it's copper 2 sulfate. And you also have calcium sulfate, right? Deliquescent substance. First, you need to understand what is a deliquescent substance. Actually, a deliquescent substance, it's the opposite of an efflorescent substance. So a deliquescent substance, it absorbs water of crystallization from air so that it can dissolve itself now. So it's the opposite of an efflorescent substance, like I said. Example of such is, I'll just give symbols. I'm sure by now you know how to use symbols. Sodium hydroxide is one of the deliquescent substance. Calcium chloride. Don't write symbols here, write the full names. I'm just writing symbols for the sake of you to know more than one example. Then you also have magnesium chloride. It's also an example of a deliquescent substance. Then they're saying bodium is a newly discovered element. It is a solid at room temperature and pressure. It can be cut with a knife, reacts with vigorous water, and liberating a flammable gas and forming a solution with a high pH. To which group of the periodic table does this belong? And a metal which can be cut with a knife, it also reacts vigorously with water, also forming a gas with a high pH. A solution with a high pH, these are group 1. Now take note of how I'm going to write this. This is group 1. Don't write group 1 like this. Alright, this is wrong. And write it in Roman numerals. It's only periods where I can write it in numbers. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction between bodium with water. So let me write it here. So when bodium, which is BO, as a solid, react with water, this will form sodium. To form bodium hydroxide, okay, plus hydrogen gas. Is this balanced? So this is a gas, this is aqueous, this is liquid. This balanced. We have bond here, have two hydrogen, you have two hydrogen, you have one oxygen here, then you also have one oxygen, so this is balanced. Then that's saying state whether you would expect bodium carbonate to decompose on heating. It won't decompose easily. No decomposition, sorry. So no decomposition. Not decomposition easy because they're difficult to decompose, because these are very reactive metals, and once they react, the electrons, they are fully bonded, so to decompose they require a lot of energy for the bonds to be broken. I think that helps. So if there is more to do, I'll see you in the next video. I'll keep on posting and previous tutorial.